Okay, so now you have already installed VQMOD on your OpenCart 4 website, and you've gone ahead to the OpenCart marketplace and you've bought an extension that uses VQMOD. Now, you may not know what to do after buying that extension other than maybe just unzipping it. And so what next? Well, I'm here to tell you that the process of installing the VQMOD extension is much easier than the process of installing the OC mods of OpenCart version 3. And I say that because with OpenCart version 3, the OC mods, you have to log into your admin area, install the extension, and go through and refresh the page, refresh the cache, so that the site will take the changes. Now with VQMOD, you do not need to log into your admin section. You simply have to upload the file across the folder, refresh your website, and that's it. So here it is. Let's not waste any more time. I'm going to show how easy it is. So let's say this is your website. This is your OpenCart website. So it all depends on the type of VQMOD extension that you bought. So let's say you bought an extension that was called example VQMOD extension. So once you've made a purchase and you've downloaded it to your PC or computer, what you need to do is go and unzip the XML file that is in the zip folder or in the zip file. So all you have to do, just unzip the zip file, and there will be a file in there with a .xml extension. It's an XML document. So let me show you how you're gonna put this on your website. Easy. So you need to fire up your favorite FTP program. As usual, I like using FileZilla. So whichever one you choose to use, a FileZilla or any other FTP program, you just fire it up. Then you're gonna log into your remote site, which of course is where your OpenCart website is located. You're gonna go to the root directory, and of course you're gonna come on the local site section and locate where you have unzipped the XML file, the VQMOD extension XML file. Remember, this is just an example name, so it will be called whatever the creator named it, just for whatever purpose it serves. Whatever purpose you bought the extension for, it may have that name or something like that. This is just an example as I'm stating. Now, easy. So you're on the root directory of your website. Just scroll down, go to VQMOD, double click, and there's a folder called XML. You're gonna double click and open that folder. There should be a file in here called VQMOD OpenCart.xml. This file came with the installation of VQMOD for OpenCart 4. Right, so this file should always be in your XML folder. Ensure that it is always there, or else your VQMODs will not work. Never delete this file. So, I was saying, this is a simple thing to do now. Just click on the extension you bought, the XML file, you upload it to the XML directory of VQMOD, and that's it. Yes, that's it, nothing more. Then you just go back to your website, refresh, and after that refresh, whatever it is that particular VQMOD extension is supposed to do, you should be able to see. So for example, suppose it was supposed to get rid of specials. After installing it and doing a refresh of your page, specials should not be there anymore. Right. That's just an example. So all I'm saying is that's a simple way of adding your purchased VQMOD extension to your OpenCart website. Simple. Buy it, unzip it, FTP to the XML directory, reload your site, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching once more, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.